Yo, what's up, man? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome to another Minecraft video. I'm here with Mavis Gameplay and Shari. And I'm here with Aikim. I don't know what's the freaking name. That sounds like a son of a bitch.
Paano mag-pipi-pipi?
Wait, why I'm not moving?
May service na. Yung bat. May service na si Mika.
You're not moving?
Next lap.
May service na si Mika. Bye-bye, Mika.
Wanna play with me, Hello Neighbor? I got a Hello Neighbor map.
Let's just play PvP. Normal payment.
Is it okay now, Mavis?
Yes.
Is it this?
Yes.
Ano, magre-record ba?
Record.
At yung pangit yung spawn.
I'm here. Why we died?
Saka lang, aayusin ko. Saka lang. Wait.
Nasa water ako.
Huwag kayo mag-respawn.
Water.
Bawal pa rin?
Tubig ako. Ako din, ito. Ito yung magaling si Mika eh.
Ayan, gumagana. Sean, Lance.
I'm already riding the
Or
minecart.
slash.
Wait.
What the hell?
Wait. Yourself.
Hoy, nasaan na kami ni Kurt?
Wait.
Fuck you. Why did you break my minecart? Damn it.
Uy, teka lang, uy.
I'm already recording. Why there's nothing in the chest? Mavis, why there's nothing in the chest?
Wait. There's something. Oh, man. Teka lang. Teka lang. Bibigyan ko kayo yung yung sword pati yung bow.
Ang dami. Yan lang ba yan?
How do you have a sword?
Hoy, nasa tubig ako. Ha? Nasa tubig ako.
I have many thousand of bows.
Saan ba base?
Wait, sorry. I don't have arrows, Mavis.
Wala akong bow. Hindi mo makukuha. Kurt, nandito ka pala eh.
Kaya nga.
Tulungan niyo muna ilagay ito.
Wala akong bow.
Give him a sword.
Ito yung ba skirt? Hindi.
How about my sword?
Ayun.
What's my sword?
Wala akong bow.
Papakamatay na ako.
Bye-bye!
What's my sword?
Ano, next map?
Bakit?
Hirap pa eh. Ano, next map?
Wait lang.
It's easy. Just do it. I know this map.
Patayin ko muna si Kurt.
I know this map. I know this map. Why you can't press it? Okay. Mavis. What's server.